Sports and culture. It is said that culture is everything around us. It is the way we speak, we dress, even the way we think about certain topics. The word culture comes from the Latin cultura, which means to tend to cultivate. It was first understood as growing through education, but in the middle of 19th century it was related to collective customs and inherited traditions and patterns of meaning in societies. All cultures are different, and even in a single country, many subcultures can be identified. Sports are a universal element found in all cultures. They provide young people with experience, fun, good physical health, as well as opportunities for social interaction and skills necessary for participation in society. Young athletes are also agents of change in their communities. They can educate others and inspire young athletes. When people are engaged in sports, identities and goals are shared, bonds are cultivated across racial, ethnic, and class lines. Sports help human rights progress.